Everybody, Brian back here with another Kaspa update. All right, we're going to go over this chart in a second. First thing I want to say is please do not think that I was spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt. People said I was, spreading fudge yesterday with Bitcoin. I am honestly 100% only looking out for the people that watch this channel. Okay, if you guys don't make money watching this channel, if you guys don't get good advice from watching this channel, then you're not going to watch it. Correct? I mean, I wouldn't watch. I wouldn't waste my time. So I do the very, very best I can to look out for you guys, protect you guys. If you guys are paying for memberships and to this channel and supporting it, then I'm going to give you the best advice that I can possibly come up with. That's what I'm here for. All right, I am not at all saying that Bitcoin's going to crash down to this or that, or I do not think that we are in a bull run. I was here for the last one. I look at charts every day. That's part of my life. As soon as I wake up, my laptop comes on, I look at charts. That every single day. Okay. Now, if I'm going to go through a couple things with you guys just to get some stuff out there. I'm going to show you some stuff, and you guys got to make up your own mind. Okay. I would never tell anybody when to sell. That is not. I am not a financial advisor. That's not my job. I'm not going to do that, all right? But I will let you know if I see warning signs of something, all right? Now, Kaspa acts different to this market, at 100%, no question about it, all right? I am not saying Kaspa is going to crash. I love this thing. I only see good things for this happening, okay? For sure. All right, I am not saying that one bit. All right, 3 undiscovered proof of work crypto gems, the best investments for 2024. This is from Mike Coldman, .medium.com. He has right in here. His number one is Kaspa. The first project in this article is Kaspa. This project has seen impressive growth this year, with its token price increasing by over 154% in the last month. Total gains since last year amount to more than 1,400%, a 14x. You know, and the overall gains on this are absolutely ridiculous. This has been a absolute winner for a lot of people. So that's his number one. Obviously, his number one crypto there. Undiscovered. Boy, I don't know, man. That thing is definitely coming to the head. You know, with a once you hit that 1 billion, we're at 2.8 now. 40 million in volume over the last 24 hours. And I want to give a big shout out. I got some new members. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. If you haven't yet, guys, looked into the trading courses, I would appreciate it so much if you did. They're $14.99 for 7 hours. And I try to get a video in there weekly to add on to it. For $14.99, dude, I think I give out a lot of great advice. But got some new people in here. Thank you so very, very much. Another super supporter. Thanks a lot, man. Hukichu, und34d_r, Zyrus, Yanni, Rated Rar, Love and Z, Miss Kendall, Derek, Jim, another super supporter. Thank you so much. You guys are all the newest members. Thank you very, very much, guys. I appreciate it. And it goes right from the top down. I'm over 50 now, and thank you so very, very much, everybody. I really mean it. You guys keep this channel going, and you deserve a shout out. Thank you for sticking by my side, and it means everything. It really does. It makes me get on here and do these videos every day. So thank you very much, everybody. Let's move over here. This crypto bubbles first. I want to show you. Boy, that beam. Boy, is this thing taking off or what, guys? Ever since I brought this up a few weeks ago, it's ranked 74th now. It's up another 23.6% today. Gaming coin, I've done a bunch of videos on it. As soon as I invested in it, I got it, I think, at 0.004. It's up to getting towards 2 cents now. Still early. It's only done like a almost a 3x now, I think. So Might be something you want to look into, might not. If you're into gaming tokens, this thing, I don't know. We'll see. $879 million market cap. Oh, here it is. For the month, up 215%. For the year, all right, see, it's only done 2x. Back here, 0.004. Well, it's more like a 4x, I think, if you do the math, a 3 or 4x. So yeah, it's starting to pick up steam, and y'all know crypto can do 50x's, 100x's. Who knows? You know, but this thing is definitely, it's in the top 100, top 75 now. All right, Kaspa. First thing I want to show you real quick, just a heads up, guys. That's it, okay? Gonna show you it and move on with life. I'm not going to talk about it again until we get to that area and that time. But if I go out on the weekly, I'm going to show you something here. Let's go to the monthly on Bitcoin. The last bull run from the top to when it started, okay? Started roughly July. I was here. I remember. I got in with COVID. COVID was right here. I remember all of this going down. I was in Pittsburgh when I opened up my wallet and it started taking off like that. So roughly 943 days that comes out to. Okay, you can see it. 943 days from top to start of the bull run. 943. All right. So if we did that same thing over here from the top, and went out 943 days to the start of the next bull run. And these times, that would put us into next year, right? May, June, July, whatever, that area. The same, you know, you got Bitcoin halving in April. I believe it's going to be in the fall of next year. It's going to start. Now, that's my opinion. Everybody has their own opinion. You do what you want to do, all right? I'm not saying to sell when Bitcoin hits 48,000. I'm just saying we got to watch out for the warning signs. Now, we all know this trend-based Fibonacci. Okay, let's take a look at something here. This is on the daily. Let me get this off here. And this is just important, just stuff I want to cover with you guys because I really do care. You guys get wrecked. And it's on me. People are going to say, oh, why didn't you say something? I'm just showing you. All right, if we take it from the swing low to the swing high to the retracement, where does this take? 48,486. If we go out on Bitcoin monthly and we put a fib on here, swing high to the swing low. All right, so where would that look? Look where our trend-based fib ends up hitting. The 618 retracement, the 4.236 at 48,000. You see what I'm getting at here? Okay. All right, I'm just showing you. If you do take profits there, if you take some, whatever you do, me personally, I'm taking a few profits. You got to decide what you want to do, okay? If it breaks through the 702, I'll wait for a pullback and I'll get back in. That's my plan. No matter what, if Bitcoin breaks up through, if it takes out this high, it's going to come back. It's what's going to happen. I guarantee it. It'll break through it. It'll come back. It'll retest it. And then it'll go again. All right, it always retests. You know, you could get in there. You could get it anywhere Bitcoin has a retest. Yeah, I'm just giving you options out there, guys. That's all I'm doing. I'm watching out for you. Believe me, please. I'm not spreading anything. All right, but to be in a new bull market, I don't know. All right, we got the monthly RSI near the top. We got the weekly on Bitcoin, totally exhausted. It's at a 100 and a 100. It's at an 83 on a regular RSI. The monthly, all right, now down here, it's at a 64 on a monthly. Still fairly low. Okay, so yeah, could it go higher? Absolutely, it could. It could. I'm not saying it's. I'm just pointing out the signs here. All right, now it looks like it could be in a little bit of a correction. Now, what would we have here? All right, you guys that have the trading courses, you know exactly what I'm getting at here and what I'm doing. Would it be a 1, 2, 3, a fourth wave pullback, and this fifth wave to the 48. Okay, I'm just saying, guys, when it gets up here, we put a trend-based fib on here. We put the regular Fibonacci on the whole thing. You see what it comes out to. All right, that's it. That's all I'm saying. Don't sell because I say something or I show you something. Don't think that I'm a bear. I am the biggest bull. I cannot wait till a bull market. I love bull markets, man. I love making money. I love my wallets opening them up and I'm flying. But this market is not just gonna, just because you're in crypto doesn't mean that this market is just gonna hand you money. It's not. It's designed to take your money. Okay, that's the whole thing here. There's people out there that you're either going to give them your money or you're going to take theirs. That's how this market works. It's designed to take money. Okay, but if you play it right, it's designed to make you a pile of money. All right, if you know how to look at charts and you know how to look at warning signs, guys out there that are reading charts that don't have Bitcoin or that don't have channels or that do have channels, they don't want to tell you when the top's coming. They want to sell you their bags, man. When you start hearing the taxi driver say, "Hey, have you heard about Bitcoin?" You better be selling at that point because the top's coming in soon. All right, I'm just saying out there. All right, we got Bitcoin dominance bouncing a little bit, and let's take a look at Kaspa. All right. I just want to make this perfectly clear. I am not telling anybody to do anything. I am showing you the facts. That's it. Okay, you got to make up your own mind. Just keep an eye on it. If Bitcoin, because it could. I want to show you that we have the RSIs on Bitcoin, looking possibly. All right, we got the 12-hour coming down. We got the 8-hour. Down at the bottom, rolled over a little bit again. We got the 4-hour trying to head up, and that daily is still up at the top, but it looks like it's trying to curve back up again. Weekly, exhausted. Monthly, get near the top. Okay. Now, if we get down to and the Dow Jones, if that breaks into a new all-time high, well, that set Bitcoin into a bull market. Well, the Dow Jones. That's the all-time high right there. It broke through the 786. If it don't double top here, all right, if it double tops here and rolls over, not good, all right. If it breaks through that could end up being very good. The monthly is turning up on the Dow Jones. The weekly is at the top, and the daily is trying to turn back up. So you can see the chart is trying to make a new all-time high, it looks like. And yeah, it could put Bitcoin into a bull market. It could. All right. I myself, I'm just going to pay attention to the charts. I'm going to be watching and see what happens when it gets to that 48. And we have Kaspa on the daily reset. Okay, it's at the RSI's reset at the bottom. We got the 12-hour rolled over a little bit on the bottom. It did not break that support. I told you guys 12.5. It has not gone below that. All right. The 8-hour is down at the bottom, and the 4-hour is trying to turn up. All right. Now, if you're charting this, get your resistance line on here. As soon as it came to this yesterday, I seen it get rejected. All right. Get your line on there, and there you go. It has to break through there. All right, it has to break. Now it has to break 13. Looks like about 13.2 to break this blue resistance line. All right, then 13.5, and these run. This could have been one big ABC in here. Let's check it out. So there, it hit a 618. Let's see if this measures out right. No, not really. Any lower target there? Nope, doesn't measure out at all. You have a 618 retracement there, but it went a little bit lower there. All right, so I'm just trying to see what there could have been in there. We do have the weekly RSI rolling over here a little bit, so something to be careful about. But I believe we're going to get a bounce here. I really do, especially with this thing breaking out of this pennant. All right, but then it fell that back down below it. It's held 12 and a half just fine. If it breaks 12 and a half, okay, then this thing is going to come a little bit lower. All right, I would pay attention. If it breaks 12 and a half, it could be heading to 11 and a half, possibly even 11.4. You got support areas down there, but I don't think it's gonna. You put your line on here. You got that 4 hour turning up. So watch for this blue line to break. If this blue line breaks, if it can break this resistance, it's going higher. Okay, I believe if it breaks it, we got a good shot here, and it's almost forming like a wedge in here. You know, almost almost forming something in here. Looks like a wedge pattern. So but everything's looking fine with Kaspa. Keep an eye. If it loses 12 and a half, though, it's coming down to 11 and a half cents. If it breaks 13.2, all right, this thing is going higher. All right, then it has to break that 13 and a half. And then right up here, we have the 14.4, that 702 Fibonacci that we need to keep an eye on. All right, guys, have a fantastic day. Please don't think I'm spreading any fear and FUD, and I'm not a bear. Please look into the trading lessons. I would appreciate that so much. I love you guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you very soon.